Well, that's not the fun part of filming somebody.
Do what?
That's not the fun part of filming somebody. The fun part's catching them when they don't know it.
Yeah, right. Arr.
Oh yeah. I have questions while you are asleep. What? Let me get what I'll do. Did you watch Pocahontas? Okay. Hello.
I got you.
What is my name? Peggy? No, for this. What is my name? No, it's from Pocahontas.
Give me a few tries. I'll make it.
Where's Mel?
She's over there.
Or where?
I don't know where she went now.
What's she doing?
She was in the garage.
What are you doing? Look at this messy room. Hey, but that's your name, Messy. Golly. So what you playing with?
Pen, will you take it? Does it look like a pen?
No it doesn't. You don't like your roller thingamajiggies?
Yeah, I'm tired of it. I'm tired.
Why are you tired?
I have to roll it all the way down like a whole metal legs and back.
Well, I was gonna come out and see if you knew how to ride it yet.
I do.
No, I seen Bobby out there playing on his skateboard.
And it almost broke his leg.
Golly.
Really stupid.
So you're not gonna try it no more?
So what?
To ride your,
I know they're right. It's just I don't know how. Like they want begging and they want me to learn how to jump and everything.
oh, golly. Okie dokie. So you're just gonna sit in here and play with a pen?
No.
Huh.
No, it's weird. Look.
Well, day.
Mm-hmm.
You'll sit here and play with a pen.
Mm-hmm. You get like only 30-something minutes. to
For what?
leave.
Oh.
Why do you have that camera on?
Huh?
Why do you have that camera on?
So I can show everybody what you do. You just sit around playing with pens.
But I don't. It's Christmas, so I can't really go all the way down to my friends if I say that.
Oh no, I figured you'd be playing with all your new toys.
Toy. When you get one toy.
Yep.
It's funny.
What's not funny?
It's not.
Let's see. I just want to show people you go from playing with a pen to sitting in a chair.
That was that.
Huh? There you are.
Well, now I'm standing.
Okay, wow, she did 3 things today.
Ooh, I said with this t-shirt.
Oh my god.
It's too bad it doesn't go too good with a girl that's in a t-shirt.
Hello.
Hello.
This is a broadcast for the scooter. It will not even be put together, so it's a good present. And here is a blonde. She even knows how to put one together. So that's unimaginable.
No, please, I'm gonna swallow
You can jump on that
What'd
fence.
you call? Blondes are smaller than redheads. This is a broadcast for scooters.
There she goes. Quick, go in front of that car. Huh? Any car you find?
Hey, look, it's Bobby. The camera off.
It's not on you, it's on me. It's stuck in my eye.
But it's looking at me. Hey, there's Peggy. Yeah, I can. And here's a marble
Oh, good. I think Peggy's gonna run in front of a car.
Try to get a bigger jump. Don't hurt yourself.
And this is a broadcast for Skitters again! Now time for the Here we go! One, and still count. Dad, you got 16.5
Yep, that's right. Watch Bob break his Christmas present. First day, he's gonna break his teeth.
A broadcast for weird skateboards! It's so weird that they put a raccoon up there. That symbolizes weird. Bye-bye! Again, this is a broadcast for skating boards. Skate.
How do you get yellow? There's only 4 colors.
If you kick it, it
For
changes.
red only.
No, it only says there's only 12, green, and red, and we got yellow. Okay.
Because you're lucky.
No, I want green and blue.
Ooh, Bob's already bent your thing, Peggy. Ooh, he just knocked the back tire off of it.
Man.
Well, let's jump.
Only for redhead.
Meow.
Micro.
That one doesn't work out too well. Here you go.
And don't forget, the skateboard. Advertising.
Not too high, I can jump it.
Micro is only caution. Micro is only for redheads. Well, any color but blonde. And why is it cold? Watch out.
Because you don't know how to ride.